Hello, dear students. Welcome back to the lecture series of digital electronics. In the previous video, we had discussed different complements of binary numbers. In this video, we are going to discuss about binary codes. So let's start. So the first question is, what is code? A code is nothing but a group of symbols which are used in digital communications, like data transfer from one computer to another computer, or to represent the digital data, or to store the digital data, or to transmit digital data from one device to another device, like mobile to computer. So, code is a group of data which is used in digital communication, like communication between one computer to another computer. This type of digital communication use numbers, alphabets or words in the form of group of data with specific symbols. We can say that symbols are encoded. The group of symbols used to encode them is known as code. The digital data is represent, store or transmit as a group of binary bits. So we can say that the code is a group of binary bits. Group of binary bits or digits which are used to represent or to store or to transmit the group of symbols or alphabets or words. Okay, this group of bits are also known as binary codes. These binary codes are used to represent both numbers and letters of alphabets, as well as many special characters and control functions. They are classified as numeric or alphanumeric codes. Numeric codes are used to represent numbers. To represent numbers. But alphanumeric codes are used to represent characters. Alphanumeric characters to represent characters like alphabets or numerals. This way, these binary codes are very important in digital communication. Now, let us discuss different types of binary codes which are used in digital electronics. In digital communication, we can say that the classification of binary codes. Used in digital communication. Based on different encoding method, there are 6 types of binary codes which are used in digital electronics or digital communication, in which the first one that is weighted code. In weighted codes, each digit position of number represents specific weight. For example, if I write one number 2, 3, 4 in decimal number system, then the number can be represented in the form of 2 multiplied by 10 raised to 2, 3 plus 3 multiplied by 10 raised to 1 plus 4 multiply by 10 raised to 0. Okay, that means 2 the weight of 2 is 10 raised to 2, that means 100. The weight of 3 is 10 raised to 1, that indicate 10. And the weight of 4 is 10 raised to 0, and that is 1. Okay, that means in weighted decimal code, each bit has weight of 1, 10, 100 or 1000. In weighted binary code, each bit has weight of 1, 2, 4, 8 or 16, and each decimal digit is represent a group of 4 binary bits. Second one, that is non-weighted code. In non-weighted codes, the codes are not assigned with any weighted to each digit position. That is, each digit position with the number is non-weighted or not assigned with fixed value. Next one, that is reflective code. The example for reflective code is given as, for example, I have one number that is 9 and I will encode this number 9 with 0. The next bit or next digit in this code, for example 8, and I will assign or encode this number with 1. Next one bit, that is 7. I will assign the encoded code is 2. Like this, I will encode the number 0 with 9. Okay, so this one is a reflective code. The number 9 encode with 0. The number 8 encode with 1. The similar thing is done over here. 0 indicate with 9. 1 indicate 8. 2 indicate 7. We can say that the given code is reflective code. Okay, we have 0 to 9 numbers and we had assigned a different numbers to the given number. So this one code is known as reflective code. Next one, that is sequential code. In sequential code, each succeeding code is one binary number greater than its preceding code. For example, the code with 8421 or an XS3 code, which we will discuss in our upcoming videos. Okay, so this one code is known as sequential code, in which we can represent this one with 2 raised to 0, next one 2 raised to 1, then next one 2 raised to 2, and next one 2 raised to 3. Okay, this code is also a type of weighted code or sequential code. Next one, that is alphanumeric codes. This type of code consists both numbers and alphabetic characters. Most of those codes also represents symbol and various instruction which are important in digital communication. And most commonly used alphanumeric codes are ASCII codes. The full form of ASCII code is given as American Standard Code for Information Interchange, which are used in digital communication. Last one code which are used in binary communication or digital communication, that is error detecting and correcting codes, which are most important in digital communication. When the digital information in binary form is transmitted from one computer to another computer or one system to another system, and error occurs. This means a signal change from 1 to 0 or 0 to 1, because we have only two possibilities in binary number systems. Okay, this will change due to the presence of unwanted signals, which are also known as noise. To maintain the data integrity, an extra bit or more than one extra bits are added in the data to detect and correct error in the given code. The data along with An extra bit or bits form the codes, and codes which allows only error detection is known as error correcting codes, and code which allows error detection and correction is also known as error detecting and correcting codes. So these are the most important binary codes which are used in digital communication. In the next video, we will discuss different types of binary codes in detail.